Hello everybody. Today we are going to be starting on Dale Earnhardt's 1995 Brickyard 400 winner. So just a standard monogram kit, but there's a couple different things we're going to do to this, okay? So first off, let me show you this. I'm not going to use because these kits were what they call a round body kit, and the correct way to do the car is what they call a slab side. So this is the slab side I'm doing, and I'll try to show you the difference here. So you can see how straight that edge is on the side of the white car, and then how this one curves in on the black one. So we're going to be using this. This particular body is, I bought a bunch of gold bodies from Mike's Decals, and I've stripped the gold off of it. It didn't all come off, but a majority of it did. So I got a little bit of prep work to do to that. So that's one thing different we're going to do. Second thing is I'm not going to use these decals. I'm going to use the much better power slides. So those are the two main differences. I will use this dash piece because it looks pretty awesome. So that'll be the one thing. I'm not going to do the tire marks or anything like that though. But anyways, that's what we're going to do with that. Let's open it up and look and see what we have here. There's the tires. Again, I don't think I've built one of these on camera before. Definitely not Monte Carlo, but alright, so there's the chrome pieces. All shiny chrome. That'll probably all get stripped off, I think. I think essentially the chassis is the same thing as a Lumina chassis. So there is those pieces. There's the glass. Front bumper is on there. Roll cage pieces. There is the side pieces to the roll cage. The engine block, suspension pieces, exhaust. Then the last that's in here is the hood, fuel cell, firewall, and then there's a seat hanging out, and one of the headers also. So anyways, that's the kit. We'll get started on that. It should turn out really, really well, I think. So I will talk to you all later.